Good morning, folks, and welcome to Bowling Green Bay National Park, just to the south of Townsville. A criminally underrated part of the world, if you ask me. As I'm sure you saw from the drone, some pretty awesome scenery around here. I'm going to ride out to the little seaside village of Congulla, which is just a few k's further down the road here. But before I get there, I need to stop and check on something that I saw while driving past a little while ago. I think this is the place I'm looking for. Just bear with me. Are they there? Okay, they're not there. We'll try on the way back. On to Congulla. I have to say, the road leading up to Congulla is rather nice. Some nice fast corners that you can take at the legal speed limit with a big smile on your face. You do need to be careful though. It is a national park. There's lots of wildlife around here. I once came out here on the V-Strom and had a pig run out in front of me. That woke me up. I'm still quite impressed with how this big old Kawasaki handles corners. Definitely not a sports bike, but no mess, no fuss, and totally composed. And because of all the torque it has, you don't have to bother changing gears either. Very nice road, this. Very, very nice. Anyway, here's the little seaside village of Congulla. A place I really like, to the point where I was actually considering buying a house out here. The only problem I have with it is that it's a little bit of a drive to Townsville. Wallaby. Oh God. They haven't got much in the way of road sense, those things. I think there's a spot we can pull in here and let the drone off. Yes, there is. Excellent. God, the new drone's great. Does all the hard work for me. Maybe I should have bought a house out here. It is quite a lovely spot. Quite a lovely spot indeed. Oh, what the hell. I'll just ease myself into all of this crap again. Ooh, this is sand, just what you want. Well, that was disappointingly short. Oh well, I made it. I kind of think I'm in someone's garden here. That's my off-roading done for the day. Time to head back towards Townsville. And hopefully I get to see that thing I was looking for on the way. Because it's pretty cool. Send it, as the kids would say. Damn it, they're not there. Oh, well, that's disappointing. Hang on, I'm going to do one more flyby just in case. Let me just pull a Yui here on this Yui hating monstrosity of a bike. Oh, that one was actually pretty good. Come on, where are ye? Oh, well, that's just bloody typical, isn't it? Long story short, there's camels living in that house. I drive down this way quite a bit, as my girlfriend and I like to walk our dogs on the beach in Congola. See the camels every single time I come down here, except the time I actually bother to bring my camera. Well, that's just bloody typical, isn't it? Down that road to the right is the Australian Institute of Marine Science, which is a really important aquatic research facility. I'd go down for a look, except there's no access to the public, so there's not much point and there's nothing to show you. But anyway, it's down there. That's Mount Elliott in front of us, and to put how big that mountain is into perspective for my UK and Ireland viewers, it's slightly bigger than Carrauntoohil, which is Ireland's tallest mountain, and just a tiny bit shorter than Ben Nevis, which is the UK's highest mountain. Big hill! Well, I am now back at the main road. It's always a pain in the ass crossing at this junction. As you can see, there's corners either side and the traffic comes up at you at about 100. Been a lot of accidents here, so I am quite careful usually. Think I'm good to go? Yes, I am. Anyway, I shall leave it there for today. Thank you all for dropping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff that good YouTubers are meant to say. And I'll catch you all again whenever I'm bothered to make another video. Good luck. If you're new here, just to give this scale, I'm 192 centimeters, or just shy of 6'4".